Isn't this IKEA commercial incredibly creative? You might not believe it, but this ad, which looks like a $100,000 production, was generated entirely with AI. It took just one tool and a single text prompt to make it happen with one click. Now, let me show you more highly creative commercial ideas. These will spark your inspiration. Just hit play to watch. Here are two examples, one for Tesla and one for Apple Watch. The quality is stunning, like real CGI effects. Normally, a video of this level would cost at least $100,000 to produce. Scroll down a little and you'll see another Tesla ad, which looks just like it was shot in a showroom. Absolutely impressive. Keep scrolling to find the JSON prompts we mentioned. Here's a Pepsi ad. You can almost picture it running during the Super Bowl. Amazing quality. There's also an Apple Watch ad that uses the brand's logo, and the watch itself looks unbelievably realistic. It's just incredible. Finally, check out this Dior example. It's super cool. Dior is a fragrance brand, so the video features lots of floral elements and scents, making it look fantastic. I'm showing you these cases so you can think about how to integrate your own product and create commercials like this. Of course, you can make videos like these with regular text prompts, but to get the best results, just like these creators, you should use something called the JSON prompt method. JSON prompts use a structured format to clearly define roles and instructions. This helps AI interpret your request more precisely using recognizable tags and avoiding vague or redundant descriptions like add this background or do this but not that. You get the idea. To help you clearly see the difference between a regular text prompt and a JSON prompt, let me show you a Chanel commercial I made myself.
Introducing Chanel, a scent that captures the spirit of elegance and timeless beauty. Chanel, embrace your essence.
First, here's the video created with a simple text prompt. As you can see, the video is pretty good, but the overall logic isn't very tight, and it doesn't really express Chanel's brand identity. Now, let's look at the video made with a JSON prompt.
Chanel, in the heart of Paris, elegance is an art. Chanel, where timeless luxury meets your unique allure.
Much better, right? When you compare the two side by side, it's clear that the JSON prompt produces a more coherent cinematic video, just like a real commercial. Now that you have a basic understanding of the JSON prompt method, let me show you how to quickly and easily create your own JSON prompts. If you want to learn how to generate such VO3 images, subscribe to my channel. This is your ticket to becoming a VO3 expert. First, I've put the IKEA ad's JSON prompt in a Word document, along with all the instructions shown in the video. Feel free to join our Discord community via the comments section to get your copy. Just copy the IKEA JSON prompt into ChatGPT and then enter this magic instruction. Please follow the same video presentation concept and JSON prompt structure to design a similar JSON prompt for Chanel perfume. GPT will then provide you with a pro-level JSON prompt describing Chanel. Let's copy this prompt into VO3 and see what happens. And you will get this. Wow, look at this result. It's absolutely stunning. The sophisticated essence of Chanel comes through perfectly. This ad completely captures the brand's message. Chanel isn't just a perfume. It's the embodiment of an elegant and refined lifestyle. This ad could easily be worth $100,000. Try it for yourself. Create a high-end commercial video for your brand with VO3. Of course, we can generate a JSON prompt without referencing that IKEA ad. Let me show you how. Using ChatGPT, we just need to provide the desired visual effect and concept, and then let GPT help us design a video for Chanel perfume with text-to-video instructions to get a regular format prompt. Let's take a look at the effect generated in the regular format.
Introducing Chanel, a scent that captures the spirit of elegance and timeless beauty. Chanel, embrace your essence.
As you saw at the beginning, the visual effect is quite ordinary. Now, let's create another JSON prompt for the Chanel perfume ad. This time, we'll input the same requirements into GPT, but ask for it to present in JSON format. Wow, we easily got the JSON instructions. Let's put the JSON instructions into the VO3 generation area. In the end, you'll get this.
Chanel. In the heart of Paris, elegance is an art. Chanel, where timeless luxury meets your unique allure.
Let's compare again. The same content, but the difference between the regular format and the JSON format is quite obvious. The video generated with the JSON instructions has a noticeably richer quality, feels more upscale, and better reflects the brand's tone. First, free download DreamVid from description below, or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. One standout feature is AI-generated interactions like AI kissing, hugging, and more. But the core functionality I want to highlight today is text-to-image generation. DreamVid AI creates high-quality, watermark-free images that can be used freely. I'll demonstrate its image generation capabilities to prove its unlimited and free nature. This is the interface for DreamVid's text-to-image feature. To test it, I'll use some basic prompts generated by ChatGPT. Based on reference examples, I'll craft new prompts to achieve a consistent style for the images I want. After generating several prompts, I'll input them into DreamVid AI and validate its capabilities. Just like other platforms, generating images with prompts on DreamVid AI is easy and intuitive. Follow along as I demonstrate. The first round of image generation was impressive. The quality is stunning, and the images are crystal clear. Next, I'll expand the testing scope to see if it truly allows unlimited daily generation. I'll input more prompts and continue generating images to stress test DreamVid AI's performance. As you can see, the results are fantastic. DreamVid AI consistently delivers high-quality images without any restrictions. Now, let's try DreamVid AI's text-to-video feature. I'll test the image-to-video function by using generated images to create videos. Follow along as I demonstrate this process step by step. Look! The video generation feature is equally impressive. Smooth, high quality, and completely free. This makes DreamVid AI ideal for creators with demanding content needs. DreamVid AI is a game changer. It lets you generate unlimited, high-quality images and videos for free without restrictions. Click the link below to try DreamVid AI for yourself and unlock its powerful features. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.